Hello, in this video we will implement TypeScript in our previous implementation of useState, useRef, and other functions. The following are the sections for this video, so we will be implementing static typing to the following. First, useState, handler or functions, functional component method, and also useRef. If you want to follow along, which I recommend, you can download the code from this Github repository. The link will be provided in the video description below. To make things faster, I have copied down changes from props to props-typescript from our previous videos. Now let's go to app.tsx. Here we have used useState. So to add typesafety, we will add the angle bracket and then add the type, so which is membership, and then it's an array. Okay, next let's go down. You can see here that new membership is a type of any, so we simply add this colon membership. Okay, so that's resolved. So this is a handler. Okay, now let's go to our form. So components, membership form. Here we will see several errors. So first, let's resolve this functional component error. So this is a react.fc, angle bracket, curly braces. Inside, we have a method on add membership. So we put it here on add membership colon. So it's a type of, the input is membership, which is a type of membership. Okay, then it will return void. So we must import this. Import membership from that models slash membership. Okay, so that one is resolved. So now let's resolve the useRef. So there is an error here because this one is recognized as string. So what we will do is add here angle bracket HTML input element. Okay, remove this. Then this will now be set to null. Okay, then let's just copy. Okay, so because now it's possible to have this as null, we need to set this as, we need to put exclamation just to indicate that it's allowed to have a null value. It should not be a problem even if we submit with null value. So we must remember that this useRef is a pointer, so it's referenced to a null initially and then assigned to a value. So we can add logic here in our code to when we submit in order to prevent the values from being null. For example, the membership code is required, then we will need to add logic to validate if it's null, then throw an error. Then once it is not null, then they can continue. Now let's resolve the last issue, the event. So for this one, we'll just add semicolon, react that form event. Okay. So it's now recognized as a form event parameter. Now let's run the application. Control tilde, cd prop typescript, then npm start. Okay, so in our page, let's press F12, see if there are errors. So the membership tiers are here, and then the form is here. Let's put diamond, and then key in description. Submit. So no error, and then diamond is here, and also the description. So to summarize, we learned how to implement TypeScript on useState, useRef, handler or function, and also functional component. Lastly, in FormEvent. That's all for this video. Please hit like to help me reach out to more people. Subscribe and click notification icon to get my latest update. Comment below for questions and topic you would like to be discussed. Thank you and good day.